Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and we're navigating irrational beliefs with food, body weight, and eating. Why are we talking about beliefs? This is part 9. We're talking about beliefs 9 times in a row because beliefs matter. They create sense of self. And if you're stuck in habits that you don't like that revolve around food, body weight, or eating, these beliefs might be creating the behaviors that you don't like. So one illogical belief about eating, I'm going to read it. This comes from Karen Koenig, the rules of normal eating. Denying myself food shows I'm in control in my eating. Therefore, deprivation and restriction equals emotional strength. If you've ever battled any sort of restrictive eating patterns, sometimes we believe, well, if I can say no to this, I'm strong, I'm emotionally strong. And that shows that I'm in control, which is not really a sense of control. But emotional strength and control actually comes from exercising my personal power in the world, not from refusing to eat. Food is an interesting subject because you need it to survive. It's very functional, but it also provides a source of pleasure. But when you have this belief that refusing to eat to change your body makes you emotionally strong, it can be really dangerous, which if you're uncomfortable or you're experiencing anything that feels uncomfortable, refusing to eat provides that comfort. And if that is done enough times, you can really hurt your health fatally. And this is one of the reasons why anorexia is one of the hardest to treat and also one of the most fatal of all mental illnesses, because there's this belief that in order to be comforted, I need to starve. And it's a hard one to change or shift. So if you've navigated this, know you're not alone. It is a hard one to shift, and I extend a lot of compassion if that is your experience. And refusing to eat means that you have some beliefs that are not serving you. And I hope you can find some help. I hope you can find a safe place to navigate these thoughts slowly and with lots of kindness and compassion. If you are finding value in these videos, there's one more, part 10, and stick along or hit that follow button and follow for more.